A very good morning to all dear my students. Now in the English grammar section, class 4, today we are going to learn our next chapter of English grammar, chapter number 9, people and the work they do. People who have worked for their society and community. We call them community helpers. Community helpers are the people who live and work in our communities. They do many, it means different things to help us every day. They provide us goods and services. For example of community helpers are doctors, nurses, bakers, astronauts, soldiers, teachers, dentist, washerman, cobbler and plumber. All these people, it means many more people, those who are helping society and community. Okay, let we understood one by one which are the people who work for society. Let's see first one. He look after our teeth. He is a dentist. Dentist diagnoses or give treatment to our problem with teeth and germs related parts of the mouth. They provide advice and instructions on taking care of our teeth and germs also. They give advice about how we have to look after our teeth. Okay. Now next. See, he mends our shoes. He is a cobbler. Cobblers are people who make or mends shoes and boots by replacing worn soles or heels by either sewing or gluing on the new pieces. It means he repair or he mends our shoes and he give us the service. So he is also included in the people and their work for us. Next one. He washes our clothes. He is a washerman. Washerman. Dhobi, it means we call them dhobi. Dhobi is a caste group of India. Their traditional occupation was washing clothes, and the word dhobi is derived from the Hindi word dhona, which means wash. He washes clothes for the people. Next one. Look at this picture. He sells medicines. He is a chemist. Chemist with medical pharmacy supply stores. You are sure to get some good medicines to the people. It means the medical store, the pharmacies supply the good medicine to the people and which is helpful to all of us. Next one. See, he serves food in a hotel. He is a waiter. When we are going with our parents in the hotel, that time who provide service to us, he is a waiter. Providing excellent wait service to ensure satisfaction, taking customers' orders or delivering food and beverage. Who do all this work? Who is waiter, right? Now next one. See, He repairs cars and bikes. He is a mechanic. It means who repair cars and bike. So we call them mechanic. An auto mechanic is a mechanic with a variety of automobile makes or either in a specific make of automobile. It means he repair the parts of cars and bikes. Now next one. Next one. See. He judges cricket matches. He is an umpire. Who judge, who give their decision as a cricket matches, we call them umpire. Officiate of sporting events, games or competitions to maintain standard of play and ensure that the game rules are observed by judging with their performance in a sporting competition. Who give the proper judgment, who declare their decision, we call them umpire. Now next. He repairs electric gadgets. He is an electrician. It means who repair electric occupants, who repairs the gadgets, and electricians install, maintain or repair electrical power, communications, lighting and control system. We call them electrician. Now next one. See, we all know that the greengrocer who sells out vegetables in the market. Greengrocer buy and sell the vegetables. They work in a retail outlets and shops. Shops selling in the general public. They selling their vegetable for the people. All these we understood that these all are the community helpers. Let's see some more name of community helpers are teacher, doctor, police officer, coach, grocer, firefighter, city worker, dentist, mail courier, plumber, painter and librarian. All these who will help to community by providing goods and services. Okay, I know that you understood about people who work for their society. Let's see in the next lecture. Thank you.